Hello YouTube, this is DJ Mobile 14 and I'm here to give you a tutorial on how to fix the Xbox 360 and its hardware failures, such as the broken disk drive where you hear this grinding noise that's unbearable and all the other stuff. In order to fix this problem, you want to open your 360. Now there's multiple tutorials how to do this. And you're just going to check on YouTube and just click on them. Now first you want to do is that this is the cover for the disk drive. All of this. So what you want to do is you want to take that off. See if I can just take it off. Sorry for that. Just sometimes gets stuck. It's real annoying. And this is what it looks like. This is the whole disk cover. Now notice how there is supposed to be a silver metal piece that's supposed to be attached right here in order to load the disk. What you want to do is that you want to look at the cover and notice that behind it, the little magnet's right there. What you want to do is take that off. It's not that much of a powerful magnet, but you see that it has like 3 holes that connects to that. So let me see if I can just connect it on. There we go. Now the metal piece is supposed to be placed on like that. What you want to do is to get the game running is that you want to take off this little round metal piece. You can use anything, a fork, a knife, a screwdriver, and peel it off. And then you end up with this piece. Poke it out, and this is the main piece you need in order to work in order to load the disc for the Xbox 360. I'm just gonna put it down right here. What I'm gonna do is show you what the grinding noise sound like if you have the same problem to relate to it. So I'm just gonna use one of my favorite games, Halo 3. I'm placing it inside here. And I'm going to turn on the Xbox 360. Oh yeah, and also when you open your 360 and try to look for the power button, that little silver thing right there, let me just point to it. That thing right here is how to turn it on. So you press it. It's pretty small. And look at the disc. You hear that grinding noise? You see the laser? It's not moving back and forth like it's supposed to read the disc. Now this is the main problem that happens when you're trying to load a disc like this. This may pop up for some Xbox 360 screens. It says that it can't load, it says it can't play the Xbox 360 game. Let me just stop this. And this is for some solutions for some Xbox 360s, but not all like mine's. And this is what you have to do. See this little main portion I was talking about right here? You're supposed to place this on to the Xbox 360 and it automatically sticks on right onto the magnet. Now, you turn on your 360 and see if it works this time. Still, the laser's not moving back and forth and you still hear the grinding noise. You said the disc is not even moving that fast like it's supposed to. Nope, the disc is moving now, but I'm not sure if it will actually work. It still doesn't work. Now this is what I do in order to make the games work. What you want to do is you want to place your finger on the spinning metal thing. Place it and just press on it. Turn on your 360 and just press on it like this. Keep it there until the Xbox 360 turns on. It won't burn you, it won't hurt, it won't do anything. It doesn't hurt at all, not one bit. If you just keep your finger there in one place. It runs faster. The laser right there is actually loading the disc back and forth like it's supposed to. And let's see if it'll work. See? Let's see if it will actually load to see if it'll actually play the actual game and load it up. Just give me one of my controllers. So far it's working. Doesn't look bad at all. Hold on. Worked perfectly. Turn on the Xbox 360. I'm gonna move it to campaign mode to see if it'll actually load. It's already on 1730. It actually runs faster for starters. I just figured this out. And it's already able to play. It doesn't stop. It doesn't say any errors or anything. And this is my solution on how to fix the Xbox 360 and its hardware failures. And goodbye.